Yun mga kagriyam, unang araw sa Monday, panamagong pintura. So ngayon mag-iimbento tayo ng kulay. Gamit natin Bosne Primary Gray Bryant, Gloss White number 190 clear. Ayan, let's go. First coat natin number 60 primer gray. Tara. So yan guys, ito yung first coat natin, primer gray. No. Sunod natin guys is sidecar bearings ng Honda Click. Primer gray, let's go. Yun guys, tapos lang ng 10 minutes. So second coat na tayo, Gloss White. Tara, let's go. So yun, tapos lang. Yun o, glossy. Hindi pa yan tapos guys. So yun mga kagriyam, tapos lang ipatuyuin. Yan na, glossy. Ngayon papatungan natin ulit ng primer gray, kasi ang mission natin is ganyan mga lods. Hindi ko alam kung lalabas yan, kaya nag-experiment tayo. Tara, let's go. Bago to, final coat. So yun kagriyam, yan na kalabasan. Final coat na tayo guys. Tara, let's go.
One eternity later.
Get you in the States, might relocate so you can smoke on the Maui Wow, you can take like going back to Honolulu just to get that Maui ride.